Imagine this is your whiteboard at the front of your room. You've got an interface you can bring up, and you can use a pen to write on your screen, either your finger or your pen, whatever it might be. But you can also be at the back of the room as well with a companion device. Here I've got a tablet, but it could be a phone as well, and we can control things from the back of the room here. This could be giving it to a student to use, maybe getting the student to do something, and everyone in the class can see it at the front. We can use a simple gesture to play back our different gestures as well. Simple to change colour. We go between two colours simply by swiping down. In fact, if we hold down, we can see other gestures that we can also take. Going to the bottom right corner gives us one highlighter, to the top right corner gives us another highlighter, and if we go down and slightly to the left, we switch to a third pen. Remember, we can turn off the interface on different devices separately. We've also got a chronograph so that we can keep track of time, and we can pause that by clicking on it and unpause it by clicking again, or we can make that disappear. Best of all is being able to take photos of students' work and throwing them on the screen nice and quickly. We're going to use the camera button. This could be on your phone or on your tablet. Let's find something we want to take a photo of. We're going to press OK. And as soon as we do, it appears on the screen and we can annotate on top, again, either from our tablet at the back of the room or our phone, or on the screen at the front of the room. That's mathsuniverse.com/whiteboard.